Welcome to Destined Beyond Belief, a gentle space where your spirit can rest, mend, and rediscover its light. Tonight's practice is titled Warm Embers. Nightly, I am healing for heartbreak recovery. Find a cozy place, breathe slowly, and allow these nurturing I am affirmations to warm your heart and guide you toward peace. Let each phrase settle softly into your being as you breathe and receive. I am healing my heart with gentle love. I am worthy of deep, nourishing love. I am open to new joy and connection. I am whole and complete within myself. I trust my heart to guide me to peace. I honor my feelings and let them flow. I am deserving of kindness and respect. I release what no longer serves me with compassion. I am growing stronger each day. I am surrounded by loving support. I choose peace in this moment. I forgive myself and embrace my growth. I welcome new beginnings with hope. I am learning and evolving through experience. I attract healthy, loving relationships. I am safe, secure, and grounded. I cherish the lessons my heart has learned. I allow love to mend me gently. I am patient with my healing journey. I radiate warmth, softness, and acceptance. I am open to receiving love again. I honor my needs and set healthy boundaries. I am full of inner strength and courage. I trust the timing of my life. I am healing in mind, body, and spirit. I am gentle with every part of me. I attract compassion and understanding. I am worthy of a loving and loyal partner. I release fear and welcome hope. I celebrate my resilience and courage. I am connected to my inner peace. I am grateful for moments of comfort and rest. I embrace self-love and tender care. I honor my heart's truth. I am vibrant and emotionally balanced. I choose self-respect and dignity. I allow joy to return to my life. I am open to miracles of love. I listen to my heart with kindness. I am a magnet for healthy love. I nurture myself with loving actions. I am free to create a beautiful future. I trust myself to make heart-led choices. I welcome daily healing and renewal. I am surrounded by love and light. I release the past with gratitude. I am aligned with love's highest good. I deserve deep connection and happiness. I am becoming whole again. I am receptive to gentle love. Take a slow, grounding breath now. Feel the warmth of these embers settling into your chest, restoring calm and confidence within you. Carry this quiet strength into your night and wake with a heart that feels lighter and more hopeful. Thank you for joining us. If these affirmations supported your healing, please subscribe to our channel for more nightly practices like this video. Share it with someone who would benefit and leave a comment with the affirmation that felt most true to you. Your presence here matters. Thank you for spending this time with us. Until next time, rest gently and keep believing in the healing power within you.